The Gotham Steel Nonstick Deep Sauté Pan is a fantastic addition to any home kitchen. Woot! This 5.5-quart pan is quite large. It gives you plenty of space for cooking big meals. The 12-inch size is perfect for frying, sautéing, and even braising. The included lid helps trap heat and moisture. This makes your food cook evenly and stay warm. The Stay Cool handle and helper handle make it easy and safe to move the pan around. It's a real workhorse for both home cooks and professionals. This Gotham Steel Nonstick Deep Sauté Pan boasts a ceramic nonstick surface. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. No more scrubbing stuck on food. Plus, it's oven and dishwasher safe. This adds to its convenience. The pan is also 100% PFOA free. This means you can cook with peace of mind. You don't have to worry about harmful chemicals. The weight feels balanced and sturdy. It suits various cooking tasks. While it doesn't have rubber grips, the handles are designed for a comfortable hold. Affiliates often highlight its durability. Overall, the Gotham Steel Nonstick Deep Sauté Pan is a winner. It offers a great cooking experience and easy cleanup. The large size is a big plus for families or those who like to cook in batches. The ceramic nonstick coating performs well, and the pan feels built to last. It's a reliable and versatile pan. It will quickly become one of your kitchen favorites. It truly makes cooking less of a chore and more of a joy. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: nonstick surface, deep design, large 5.5-quart size, includes a lid, ceramic material, jumbo. 12-inch size, Stay Cool handle, helper handle, oven safe, dishwasher safe, PFOA free. Cons: handle may feel less sturdy, not for induction cooktops. Some users report sticking, coating. Durability concerns: potential for scratches, lighter feel may imply flimsiness, flat handle. Discomfort reported, instant quality reviews. Features: large 12-inch, with lid, Stay Cool handle, helper handle, oven safe, dishwasher safe, PFOA free, ceramic coating. This Gotham Steel Deep Sauté Pan is big, measuring 12 inches and holding 5.5 quarts. So you can cook a lot of food at once. It has a non-stick ceramic coating, which means food will slide off easily and you won't need much oil. The pan comes with a lid to trap heat and moisture. It also has a long handle that stays cool while you're cooking, plus an extra helper handle for easier lifting. You can even put this pan in the oven and the dishwasher. And it's made without harmful PFOA chemicals. This Gotham Steel Deep Sauté Pan is a large 12-inch pan with a 5.5-quart capacity and a non-stick ceramic surface. Plus it comes with a lid and helpful handles that stay cool. It's safe to use in the oven and dishwasher and doesn't have PFOA. However, some people think the handle feels weak. It can't be used on induction cooktops. A few users say food sticks, and there are worries about how long the nonstick coating will last and if it will scratch easily. Some also find the pan feels light, which makes them think it's not very strong, and the flat handle might not be comfortable. Also, reviews about its quality are not always consistent.